13 Investigates has learned two men from Colorado Springs have been charged in a major international drug trafficking ring takedown. The group had ties to a Mexican cartel and was funneling drugs throughout the state. KRDO News Channel 13 investigative reporter Chelsea Brentzel explains the Southern Colorado connection. Chelsea.
Bart, 64 people were indicted by a Colorado grand jury and are off the streets tonight. And the indictment lays out how two men were using a Colorado Springs post office to send packages of drugs from Colorado to Colorado from Glendale, Arizona. Law enforcement in Colorado Springs arrested them after a routine drug stop led to the discovery of around 30 pounds of meth. Then in December, law enforcement arrested a man living in an apartment on the Pikes Peak Avenue. Officers found an assortment of drugs, hundreds of grams of heroin, meth, pills containing fentanyl, and a loaded gun. Authorities say they hope dismantling this large international organization will prevent more drug overdose deaths in the state.
First of all, drug trafficking is an international problem, and yet it is also very much a local problem here in Colorado. The drug crisis is devastating many of our communities.
Troopers also arrested another man near Pueblo. During a search of a car, they found 12 pounds of meth and approximately 1,800 counterfeit oxycodone pills containing fentanyl. Now, in El Paso County, drug overdose deaths were up by 30% in 2020. More than half of that increase is from fentanyl. Reporting in the newsroom, Chelsea Brentzel, 13 Investigates.